You've just sold your prized sneaker collection, cashed out that side hustle, or maybe you've just scored a fat bonus. The question is burning: how fast can you get that sweet cash into your Coinbase account? Let's dive in. Now, you might be thinking, I just want to buy Bitcoin and chill. Totally get it. But before you can dive into the world of crypto, your fiat, that's fancy talk for regular money, needs to make its way to Coinbase. And that's where things can get a little tricky. So, how fast is fast? Well, that depends on a few things. Let's break it down. Payment method matters. First off, your payment method is key. Debit cards, the flashy option. It's instant gratification for your crypto cravings. Boom, money in, Bitcoin bought. But hold your horses, there's usually a catch. Coinbase might slap on some hefty fees, and there could be limits on how much you can transfer. Bank accounts, the steady eddy. Linking your bank account is like building a solid foundation for your crypto empire. Transfers typically take a few business days, but you'll often get better rates and higher limits. Patience is a virtue, right? Wire transfers, the speed demon. Need your money now? Wire transfers are your ticket. But be prepared to pay a premium for this rush. Plus, your bank might charge you a fee. Coinbase processing speed. Once your money leaves your bank or card, it enters the Coinbase cosmos. Coinbase, like any other platform, has its own processing time. Generally, it's pretty quick, but there can be delays, especially during peak hours or if there's a system glitch. The great bank mystery. Your bank also plays a starring role in this transfer saga. Some banks are Speedy Gonzales, while others move at a glacial pace. It's like trying to predict the weather, you never quite know. Factors that can slow things down. Weekend warriors, banks and financial institutions generally take a break on weekends and holidays. So, if you initiate a transfer on Friday afternoon, don't expect it to show up on Coinbase Monday morning. Verification woes. Coinbase is all about security, and that means verifying your identity. If you haven't completed this process, your transfers might be put on hold. Transaction limbo. Coinbase might temporarily hold your funds for various reasons, like unusual activity or to comply with regulations. Tips to speed things up. Timing is everything. Avoid transfer rush hours. Early mornings or late evenings might be your best bet. Verify, verify, verify. Make sure your Coinbase account is fully verified. This smooths the transfer process. Check your bank. Give your bank a call if the transfer is taking forever. They might be able to shed some light on the situation. So, there you have it. Transferring money to Coinbase isn't always a sprint, sometimes it's a marathon. Understanding the factors involved can help you manage your expectations and avoid unnecessary stress. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, happy investing.